My name is Yovita and I'm 25 years old. Before I go to Bali Culinary Pastry School, I studied at university, majoring in marine science. I never realized that I have such a big passion for cooking until I did it. Before I went to culinary school, most of my dishes are just for my friends or like a close family. Some of them said my cooking are like really good and I should open my own restaurant someday, maybe in the future.
My name is Clements Leando. I'm currently 28 years old. The first time I realized about my passion was when I was in elementary school, when I had a cooking project and I started to explore how to make Indonesian food, which was at that time nasi goreng. I did a couple experiments where I totally failed. A lot of times I had too much kecap manis, so my fried rice would turn really dark and black, and sometimes I would actually burn the rice. My dad works as a doctor, and it has the biggest influence in the career path in my whole family. I didn't get the chance to pursue my dreams, and I went to medical school, so I became a doctor myself. And during the time where I actually asked my parents for a career change, which at first my parents didn't take lightly, I told them that being a chef has always been one of my dreams and I really want to pursue those dreams. I think the culinary scene in Bali is very developed, and I think finding a school that is based in Bali would give me and open up so much opportunities and knowledge to my culinary journey.
I'm actually from batch 8, and then after several months I got sick, and then I cannot continue my study here, so I need to postpone on that time. And then I continue my study on batch 9. The reason why I got back to the school is just because I want to show everyone that I'm actually capable of doing this. But then after I got accepted at Paul Bocuse restaurant for my next internship program, I'm happy because all of my hard work, all of the sweats, all of my time, it's all paid off.
So the biggest achievement in my life that I've accomplished is actually doing a career change from being a doctor to a chef. Now I feel like I'm living in my passion, and even in the 6-month internship, I know it's not a long time, but during those 6 months I've had experienced some intense pressure, but at the end of the day I've always enjoyed it, and I feel like I'm supposed to be where I am. I have a message for those who want to pursue their passion but are still scared and confused. You are not alone. One thing I can say is go for it. I'm one of those person who did a career change from being a doctor to a chef. So at the end of the day, it's all worth it.
So if you have a dream, don't ever limit yourself. Just keep trying and keep striving until you achieve it.